Have you ever wondered how Salesforce automatically perform actions when a record is created, updated, or deleted? For an example, when a new account is created, Salesforce automatically update another field or creates a related record. So this automation is done using something that is called trigger. So hello everyone, welcome to the Dev Guide. My name is Asha, and in this series, we are going to learn Salesforce Trigger from beginner to advanced level with real example. So, in today's video, we are going to understand what is trigger and why we use trigger and their type with a suitable example. So, let's begin. Coming to what is trigger. So, trigger in a Salesforce is a piece of code that executes automatically when a specific event occur on a record, such as insert, update, delete, or undelete. Okay. So moving to the next topic, that is why we use trigger. What is need of trigger? Okay. So we mainly use trigger for these purposes, such as automating tasks, updating related record automatically, implementing complex business logic. For an example, when an opportunity is marked as close one, we might want to automatically update the related record. So for this, we can use trigger. Coming to the next topic, that is type of trigger. So in Salesforce, there are mainly two types of trigger. First one is before trigger. Second one is after trigger. So in before trigger, that execute before the record is saved to the database. And before trigger are mainly used to update or validate field values. Okay. For after trigger, it's execute after the record is saved to the database. Okay. And after trigger used when we need the record ID or want to update related record. Okay. So in this case, we use after trigger. Coming to the next topic, that is trigger event. Okay. So a trigger can run on different context or different event, such as after update, after insert, after undelete, after delete, or before insert, before update. Okay. So these are the trigger event. Coming to the next topic, that is syntax of the trigger. So these are the basic syntax of trigger. Looks like this. We write trigger and then trigger name, and there is a keyword that is called on. After on, we specify the object name on which object we want to write the trigger. After that, we specify the event for which event we are writing this trigger, such as after update, after insert, or after undelete, or before insert. Okay, got it. So coming to the example. So here is the example. I have written a trigger on the account object, which is updating accounts field that is called description. When trigger is running on before context. Okay. So this is the example of trigger. So that's the basic introduction to the Salesforce trigger. In this next video, we will learn trigger context variable, which are very important for writing real triggers. If you found this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe the DevHub guide. See you in the next video. Bye bye.